check out my official JACOBVIRAL merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there.
I was squeezing it.
You want to tell me what all's in here for the video?
We got full DB415s on full MD8Ks.
What's the box tuned to?
It's 29 right now, and really thought about going up to about 34-ish, just to peak a little bit higher.
What about your alternator and battery power?
Right now we have a J's Alt 280. We're gonna upgrade to a CES soon.
What's it meter?
Right now it does a 161.4 at 39 volts.
39?
Yes, sir.
Wow, awesome. All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is JACOBVIRAL. I know you're excited to see the demo of this build, but before that, I just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer, as well as I just launched official merch. A lot of people have been wanting to get merch. Link in the description for that, as well as I just created a Patreon. You're able to become a Patreon supporter now. I'm going to be working more with exclusive content and credit, shout outs, a lot of other personal things with you guys that become that. And I look forward to working with y'all on also live streams. I'm going to be doing weekly live streams. I did my first official live stream a few days ago. Great success. So I'm going to be doing more of those, so stay tuned. And we're about to get ready to do a demo. If y'all ever have any questions, feel free to comment, and look forward to working with y'all more closely with the Patreon supporters. See y'all at the demo. I've been waiting patiently, A lot of people are going with these things. They're like budget friendly, dual power. I saw it as cheap as $341 on Amazon. And they flip for like 5 to 6K after ride. That's crazy. Are these at 1 ohm or 2 ohm?
Right now that's 0.8. One of our buddies is playing around 28,000 on 3 ohm.
good.
Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever
It's better than most people.
You don't ever come to me. I know you always on the go, boy. I don't ask for much, but sometimes I just want you home, boy. It's kinda strange, you always got time for your home.
Check out my official JACOBVIRAL merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JACOBVIRAL ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.